In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok, shop not working. If your shop features aren't showing up or things aren't loading as expected, this walkthrough will help you connect everything properly and get back on track. First, open the TikTok app and go to your account. You'll start from your profile page. From there, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. This is where all your account tools live. Next, choose TikTok Studio. TikTok Studio is the dashboard that brings your creator and commerce tools together. And it's the right place to check your shop setup. Inside TikTok Studio, tap TikTok Shop for Creator. If your shop isn't working because it hasn't been connected yet, this is the screen that will prompt you to link your TikTok seller account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. TikTok will guide you through agreeing to terms and connecting your seller details. If your shop is already connected, you'll be taken straight to your shop dashboard. That's a good sign that your link is active. If you see prompts asking for documents, it means your shop registration isn't complete yet. Go ahead and submit the necessary documents to finish setting up. Depending on your region and business type, this can include identity verification, basic business information, and payout details. Having those ready will make the process smoother, and completing this step is essential for shop to function correctly. Once you've connected or finished registration, it's just as important to make sure your account type is set up properly. Head back to the menu, then go to Settings. From there, tap Account and choose Switch to Business Account. A business account gives you access to the features and tools that support TikTok Shop, and it helps prevent issues where shopping options don't appear. Switching is quick, and you can pick a category that best represents what you sell or the type of content you create. After you've linked your seller account through TikTok Shop for Creator and switched to a business account, return to TikTok Studio and double-check that your shop dashboard loads without errors. If you can see your product listings or the setup page without warnings, you're all set. That's it. By opening your profile, using the three-line menu to access TikTok Studio, connecting through TikTok, Shop for Creator, submitting any required documents, and switching to a business account in settings, you'll resolve the most common reasons TikTok Shop isn't working. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your shop running smoothly.